Hello, amazing moms. Today's video is sponsored by Holy Flow. Are you feeling stretched thin between schedules, homework, and family life? Well, mom, it's time to pour back into you. Watch this video.
Fast happens slow. A quiet heart, a calm mind. The scriptures promise a tranquil way of being, and Holy Flow leads you there. Breathe. Align with your Creator's presence on each inhale. Release the weight of the world on each exhale. Listen. Experience prophetic soundscapes that restore your spirit and bring serenity to your soul. Move. Movement is ministry. Release resistance, unlock power, and honor your body as God's temple. Rest. Rest is trust. It's where God restores your strength and anchors your heart in clarity. Holy Flow, where the pace of grace transforms the hustle of life. Fast happens slow.
Don't wait for balance to find you. Create it with Holy Flow. Click the link in the description and sign up today. Hello, amazing moms. I just wanted to take a moment to remind you that when parenting teenagers, you may have to fight a battle more than once to win it. There are often moments when it feels like you are fighting the same battles over and over again. Battles over attitudes, responsibilities, family values, and standards. But don't lose heart, mom, because your perseverance, when rooted in love and faith, will lead to victory. The scriptures remind us that endurance is a crucial part of our parenting journey. Galatians chapter 6 verse 9 says, "Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up." Every act of love, every lesson, and every conversation is a seed planted in the heart of your teenager. And you may not see the fruit immediately, but in God's timing, your efforts will bear fruit. God also strengthens us for the repeated battles. He says in Isaiah 41:10, "So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." You are not fighting these battles alone. God walks with you, giving you the strength to persevere and fight for your child's well-being and future. And as you face challenges, know that these repeated battles are shaping both you and your child. James chapter 1 verses 3 and 4 says, "Because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance, let perseverance finish its work so that you may be mature and complete, lacking nothing." So, mom, know that the battles you fight today are not in vain. They are molding you into a stronger, wiser, and more patient mother. Keep going, stay the course, trust in God's promises, keep loving fiercely, and don't be discouraged if you have to fight some battles more than once. And in times when the battles seem to never end, remember that victory stands on the other side of your perseverance. Girl, you've got this.